Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall deal with another type of number system conversion from octal to decimal. Before we start with the video, let us first understand what do you mean by the octal number system and the decimal number system. The octal number system is the base 8 number system which consists of digits from 0 to 7, while the decimal number system is the base 10 number system which consists of digits from 0 to 9. So in this video, we shall see an example that shows the conversion of an octal number to its decimal representation. So let's get started. We have an octal number 5403 which is to be converted to its decimal equivalent. In an octal number system, the place is a power of 8. The place in the rightmost location is 8 raised to 0. The power of 8 increases as we move the place from right to left. Hence, the place of 3 in the given question is 8 raised to 0. The place of 0 is 8 raised to 1. The place of 4 is 8 raised to 2. And the place of 5 is 8 raised to 3. Now, let us see the conversion technique. We have to find out the decimal equivalent of 5403 octal number. Each digit in the octal number is to be multiplied with its place and the results are to be added up. So we start with the rightmost element 3 multiplied with 8 raised to 0 plus the next number 0 multiplied with 8 raised to 1 plus 4 multiplied with 8 raised to 2 plus 5 multiplied with 8 cube. Now 3 into 8 raised to 0 is 3 plus 0 into 8 raised to 1 is 0 plus 4 into 8 square is 256 plus 5 into 8 cube is 2560. Now if we add up these, we get the result as 2819. Hence, the decimal equivalent of 5403, the octal number, is 2819. This is the technique which is used to convert an octal number which does not have a fractional part. I hope the method of the conversion of an octal number to its decimal equivalent is clear. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon.